Hey, Matt from Racks Galore, and this is the MAXTRAX Indeflate. It's a simple and convenient way to either inflate or deflate two tyres at the same time, saving you time while you're out at the tracks or heading to the beach. Built in South Africa, it uses a unique dump valve system, ensuring you get equal pressure between both tyres, and that just makes sure you get equal results every time. The high quality 700 kPa pressure gauge allows you to monitor your pressures while you're inflating, deflating, or just equalizing, all without needing to disconnect. Made from mil-spec anodized aluminium and 3-meter abrasion resistant hoses, it's ready for some serious off-road conditions. It all packs neatly into a heavy duty carry bag, so it's all together ready to go whenever you are. And that is the MAXTRAX Indeflate. It's built tough, engineered smart, so it makes airing up or down easy and convenient wherever you're traveling.